gonna go and set up a tour for the elements. We are now going to the Up show. It's a new show. Instead of the bird show, I believe it's probably the same thing, just with the characters from the Up. Hi.
Hello, guys. Watch that.
So we invite you to learn the Wilderness Explorer's Pledge. Please, get ready now to follow along with my friends in the theater and repeat after me. God is a friend to all. Be it plant or fish or tiny mole. The wilderness must be explored. Wonderful. Now you can join in to say the pledge during the show. We will begin soon. Thank you.
It's another beautiful day in another forest. Let's keep looking up and enjoy the music.
I'll tell you how this place came to be. Many eons ago, there lived an enlightened Maharaja and Maharani of Anandapur, whose hearts were one with nature. So much so that the Maharani turned her palace grounds into a magnificent aviary so she could live among the birds. I am a descendant of that queen, and I have returned to become a caretaker of these wonderful winged creatures from places around the world. Now, adventurers like you come to this place too. That's why my favorite part of each day is when the birds who live here join me in the dance to welcome you. Explorer in Tribe 54, Sweat Lodge 12. Shabash, Russell! And who is your furry friend? He's Haddock. We found him in South America. And he's trained. Shake, boy! Speak, boy!
Hi there.
Did he just say...
Hi there. My name is Doc.
Oh my, you can talk! I've never met a talking dog before.
Oh yes, I can talk. I have just met you, and I love you.
Oh, I love you too, Doug. I'm Annika, a senior wilderness explorer from the local Tidia tribe, Mor Lodge. Oh, Mor means peacock in the Hindi language. Wait a minute, it's you. We found you. Found me? Was I lost?
If you are lost, I am a great tracker. I can find you. Oh yes, I can, because squirrel!
We know you. We read about you in our Wilderness Explorers newsletter. Oh, yeah. The newsletter about birds from around the world. Right? Yeah. Now we're ready to have a new bird adventure. Then you're in the right place. See, that's a nifty camera, Russell. I use it to take pictures for my adventure book. I had a camera just like it. You know, they don't make those anymore. Really? It's my Wilderness Explorer camera. Hey, are they Wilderness Explorers too? I bet they are explorers and adventurers. Who's been out earning lots of Wilderness Explorer badges? Or plans to? Shabash, wonderful. Then they should know our pledge. Oh, please, 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 can I lead it now? Sure. Let me take your camera and then we can sing together. A Wilderness Explorers camera? I don't know. Wilderness Explorers honor, but it's always safe and sound. Really safe and sound. All right, everyone, let's all join in with Russell. An explorer is a friend to all, be it plant or fish or tiny mole. Join in. The wilderness must be explored. Caw, caw, roar.
Caw, caw, roar!
Shabash, give yourselves a hand. Yes. Everyone, welcome my friend Adam.
Hello, everyone. Welcome. And namaste. In my time here, I've learned to interpret the bird's natural behavior in order to better understand them. And you guys can too. Has anyone here ever been on a great bird adventure before?
We did. With our bird friend, Kevin. Who is Kevin?
Oh, I do miss the bird named Kevin. Yes, I do.
You talk?
A talking dog. With a bird friend.
Oh, right. Kevin. So does he talk like people too?
Oh no, the bird named Kevin talks like a bird.
Oh, and by the way, Kevin is a girl.
Oh,
She is baby birdies. Oh yes, she does.
hey, what do you say? Do you want to meet some more of the birds who call this place home?
Wait, I need my camera. I must have left it behind. Come on, Doug. Your what? Oh, no, I have the camera, see? It's still here. Safe and sound. And they're gone.
I'm sure they'll be back.
Okay. Oh. Hello, Miles.
Find the birdie. Find the birdie. Point.
Did we miss the birds? Oh, not to worry, Russell. We have many more to show you.
In fact, you're right on time.
But first, about your camera. I didn't find it. Oh, yeah. I forgot to remember that I left it here. Yes, it's safe and sound. Now, about the next bird you're going to see. Is it a snipe? I'm still looking for one of those. Here, snipe. Snipe? Here, snipe. Do you know what a snipe is? No?
It's not this guy.
Hey, you guys over here?
Find the birdie. Find the birdie. Point.
Wow, he has a big beak. Just like Kevin. Yeah, he does. Well, this guy is a ground hornbill, also from Africa.
And ground hornbills, they're incredible. You see, they get their name because they forage in the grasslands using their beak like a sledgehammer. It's awesome.
Hey, let me get my camera. Okay, your camera. No, that's his camera.
What? That's a camera?
Yes.
No. Sarah, no, leave that alone. Come with me. Taylor, can I have a hand with the ground hornbill?
No. That way.
This way.
Adam's got food. Go.
I know. You found some interesting treats there. Interesting is the word. Come on, let's go.
That way.
This way.
No. He's a hungry boy.
That's actually pretty cool, though. This is what they would do out in the wild. You see?
No, not the camera. Not the camera. Thank you.
Oh, he is an angry birdie.
No. He's not angry. It's natural.
Russell, I am so sorry about your camera. Maybe we can fix it.
Yep, that's alright. My Wilderness Explorer camera. Safe and sound?
My Groucho! We have to show you this bird.
Thanks, Cassie.
Good morning, Groucho.
Hey there, Groucho. Would you like to give everyone a great big hello?
Groucho always makes us laugh, right, Adam?
He certainly does. But what's really neat about Groucho here is he's what's called a yellow-naped Amazon parrot. They're normally found in Central America. But Groucho has grown up with people his entire life, and he's learned some pretty cool stuff along the way. And let's see if he wants to show off a little bit. What do you say, buddy?
Is he all warmed up?
Yeah, gotta get the vocal warm up. Let's sing. Great job, buddy. And one of the coolest things about Groucho is not that he knows that one song.
Oh no.
He knows
7!
7 different songs from start to finish. And it's pretty neat. So, do you want to hear another one? All right. But first, these guys have been so cool. Why don't we do something special? And you can give him a kiss. Good stuff, that kiss, huh, buddy? Okay, you can pick any of your other 6 songs, whichever one you want, my friend. What do you think? Shelby? Excellent job,
I
buddy!
don't think that is for sale though, but everyone say bye to Groucho! Bye, Groucho! Thank you so much! You're going to love our next bird. Come on out! Hi! A dinosaur!
Scary birdie! Scary birdie!
No, don't wait for me! Oh, you guys, she's not scary. Hey! She's just a little big. Well, I'm glad you all are still here. Maybe they'll come back.
Yeah. In the meantime, though, we'd love to share this beautiful bird with all of you. The Andean condor.
We call her Kalar.
And Kalar is one of the largest birds here, with a 10-foot wingspan.
Yeah, no wonder us learned out thought she was a dinosaur, huh? But what amazes me is that she was that big when she was only a few months old.
That's totally true. When they first hatch, they're about the size of a mango, right, Megan? But in 3 to 6 months, they get that big, which is so cool because they're the largest member of the vulture family. One of the largest flighted birds in the world. And it's so cool because they stop the spread of disease. That's why we love having these guys around. They're nature's recyclers. And one of my favorite parts is the condor run. Let's see if he wants to show off a little bit. What do you say, pretty? Carry on.
Bye, Kalar. Hey, Russell, Don.
I do not like the scary birdie.
There's nothing to be afraid of, Doug. Remember, a Wilderness Explorer is friend to all.
That's right. And all animals are friends to us. If you appreciate them, they will show you just how wonderful they are.
How about it, boy?
I am a friend to all the animals. Yes, I am. Especially the birdies. Show me the birdies.
Well, one of our favorites around here is the crown crane. Meet Fraser. Fraser Crane.
He is just one of the many birds here that connect us to a world of stories and adventures.
Hey, Doug, say hi.
Hi there. I like the birdies.
And they like you, Doug. The crowned crane.
Fly, birdie. Fly.
Nice job, Fraser. Hey, I have an idea. Do either of you want to feed Fraser?
I do.
Cool. Okay, Russell. some of his favorite treats.
He really goes gaga for birdseed.
He does.
My hair sticks up like that, my mom makes me brush it.
Very funny, Russell. But believe it or not, there's no hair in the sky at all. The crest of feathers up on top of his head. And even his eyelashes are all modified feathers. The ones on his head are pretty cool. They are shaped like a corkscrew and makes him stand up straight for some pretty awesome camouflage. And that was Fraser Crane. Everyone, need hope.
A bald birdie?
Although bald eagles aren't actually bald.
Did he just, fireworks. My cousins in the West have told me so much about these birds. She's majestic.
And inspiring too. You know, not long ago, the bald eagle was placed on the endangered species list. But through conservation efforts, all of us played a huge part in helping their population to recover. And I'm happy to say the bald eagle is no longer an endangered species.
You got it right.
Wow, we can really make a difference.
That's right, Russell. If we make a conscious effort to protect our planet and the wonderful animals we share it with, we can make a big difference.
Thank you so much, Hope.
And now, I would like to introduce my favorite feathered friend. The peacock. In ancient mythology from India, a story is told that once the tail feathers of Moor Peach were dull. But in gratitude for the more protection of the people, the peacock was given his beautiful iridescent feathers. During molting season, peacocks lose their feathers, but they will come back beautiful and strong. So now, as the national bird of India, the peacock is the symbol of pride, protection, benevolence, joy, and humility. That's why I'm delighted to share this beautiful creature with all of you. I call him Nabil, which is a very noble name. And not only is peacock Moor in Hindi, but Moor is also the name of my Wilderness Explorers Lodge.
What a beautiful birdie! A very, very beautiful birdie.
Wow, this has been a great bird adventure.
You're right, Russell. And did you know that there are thousands and thousands of bird species that live all over the world? And the coolest thing is that you don't have to go that far. Many birds can be found right in your backyard or even at your local parks back at home.
You know, whether it's a bird, an owl, an eagle, or even a peacock, you'll discover birds and other animals with incredible stories. And discovering their stories is just the beginning of your adventure. Smile, Russell. For you. Now go explore.
Wow, a new camera. Thanks.
Oh, and Russell, a Toko toucan.
That's a cool bird.
Hi, Sunny.
Oh, and don't forget about the spectacled owl with Brad over here. Oh, and look,
Hey.
a Livingston Store.
Hands up, we've got a new friend, Russell.
They like me. They really like me.
They sure do.
I too can run around like the birdies.
Look who's flying like a bird now.
Hey, adventure is out there.
Oh, so many birdies. I want them all.
Thanks for showing us so many birds.
Pleasure.
So glad you could make it to meet our feathered friends here today.
Like Doug and Russell, we can have our own adventure any day. Nature and all of its wonderful creatures are all around. All we have to do is look up. Now let's go and have a wonderful next adventure.
Oh, chicken birdies again. Oh, I love chicken birdies. Come here. Oh,
they're
come here.
here,
Be my
Doug.
friend. Be my friend. Oh, I love chicken birdies. Oh, I
Wilderness
love them.
must be explored. That's right. Oh yeah. Bye.
Bye, Russell, Doug. And to all of you, namaste.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Thank you for joining us for our favor? Thank you. Atención, exploradores y amigos. Todos queremos que ustedes tengan una aventura segura el día de hoy, por lo que les rogamos que no se atraviesen caminando por las bandas. Gracias.
It's a good time for it. It's not drying up sort of. You tell who it is yet?
Goofy.
Yeah. Got it.
Yeah, we're gonna go get
That
that
cat.
right now.
It's gonna have a funky cat.
Goofy, yes she is. That one that awesome. He's so good, he's an artist.
Got 3 hairs on his head. What's he missing? Ears. Yeah, got big old ears. We don't have them on there yet. One ear. And let's do this other ear.
Está dibujando a...
Hey! We're eating at Flame Tree Barbecue, and this is the smokehouse chicken salad. We're here having lunch. And this is our view. We're eating at Flame Tree Barbecue, and we have visitors.
We'll get a water. Can I get a water out of here, Daddy?
So where is it that we're going?
Must be lunchtime.
I see him.
Everybody say, Adelante!
Josie does not have that problem here because of her rider
We're on the Caring for Giants tour backstage. You have to pay for this one.
swimming and they can use the water from it. And they'll also use it to like throw the water on their back to help keep cool. But it's pretty nice day outside, so you probably just get a little water. And Fiki is our oldest elephant that we have here. She's about 40. And she is our biggest female elephant. She's about a little over 9,000 pounds. She's a big girl, large and in charge. Does anyone have any questions so far? They don't want to go down that steep slope already. They actually carry more weight on their front legs than on their back legs. So going down a hill like that is not optimal for their body. So that in itself is enough. The hot wire is definitely not near the full growth. So these guys, they won't reach their full growth until late teens, early 20s. It's actually very similar to humans. We think of Nadira as our supermodel elephant. She has like really long, skinny legs. She's almost a teenager. She's gonna hit her like teenage growth spurt, you know, so she's got those long legs. Hay and browse, really anything green. Donna's prerogative is to wean her kids by the time they're 2, typically for Luna and Nadira. Stella will be 2 in December, so she's at that time, and so Donna has been weaning her. And Stella does not like that. So you'll see Donna will like push her away with her foot, push her away with her trunk, hit her with her tail. That's just her doing what she should be doing, which is weaning the baby, right? And Stella does not enjoy that. And she'll like trumpet, and she'll be so loud, and she's throwing these big tantrums. And you can tell Donna's like, I don't care. Like, she's like, no. So we had some drama this morning because she's not letting Stella nurse. But don't feel too bad for Stella. She eats all the foods that the big kids eat, so she's not missing out on anything. So that was interesting this morning. But eventually Donna let her nurse because Fiki, the matriarch, she doesn't like it when Stella throws tantrums. So sometimes if she's being too loud, you'll see Fiki come over and she'll be like, Donna, and Donna's like, fine, whatever. So.
Karibuni.
Alright guys, enjoy your time.
Take care.
Karibuni means welcome, so welcome friends. Come on, come in.
Get on this one. Alright guys, if your entire party does not fit, you will be on the next one.
Enter the reserve today. Please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside of the vehicle at all times. Now, the first part of the reserve that we're gonna go through is called the Little Ituri Forest. This area is a lot of fun because many of the animals that live here are very shy. So it's kind of like peekaboo. Let's see if we find them. Now here on the left side, we have the water hole. And these are some animals like to come and drink water. And oh wow, I see a black rhino. It's gonna be here on the left side towards the front. Black rhinos are solitary animals, which means they like to be on their own. However, they don't mind females and offspring around them. They are crepuscular animals, which means they're mostly active at sunup and sundown. This is like a baby. Yeah, it's a baby bongo. All the way in the back, the light brown ones look like deer. Those are the greater kudu. And they can be about, those are the kudu. Kudu can be about 4 foot tall at the shoulder. Territorial animal in Africa. They can be pretty aggressive. They do not like other animals or humans in their water.
Special treatment.
Oh, wow. Whoa.
Yeah, they're pretty big.
Wow.
Over the water in the island, and they get their pink coloration in their back during mating season.
Those buses.
And hippos communicate kind of similar to how we communicate. They have their wheeze honk, and they all sound different, just like our voices. Oh, now look at baby Augustus. Look on the left, this is baby Augustus. He was born February 21st at 168 pounds, and right now he weighs 600 pounds already.
What the buses eating on?
They are just picking out like little dirt and little things of his skin, but they're not really hurting him.
Yeah.
Here again we have little baby Ayla. So when she was born, she was about 6 foot tall, and they need to be that tall in order to nurse from the mom. Otherwise they cannot reach the mom. Those horns are hollow, and the cow uses them to cool off. They push blood from the body through the horns and then back in the body. Our friends are falling. Ah! Falling, everybody, hold on. No, just kidding, we're not falling. Is everybody okay back there? Yes? Okay, I'm fine too, thank you for asking. Now here on the left and right, we have the red clay pits. And they're awesome because they have a lot of nutrients and vitamins that elephants need for their diet. These markings here on the right are done by the elephants. Now look on the left, look how close we are. So you see how this elephant is moving her ears. We're gonna see another baby. We're about to see baby Stella. On the left side, this is our youngest little baby elephant.
Yeah, let's run it. What in the?
Elephants have the longest gestation period of all of the mammals, so it took over 2 years for this little baby girl to be born. Look here on the left side. These are the greater flamingos. Flamingos are actually born gray and they turn pink after a couple years. This is because they eat a lot of shrimp, and in the shrimp they get this special protein that turns them pink. So if you ever look at yourself in the mirror and you're like, wow, I look extra pink today, maybe you ate too much shrimp the night before. A large group of flamingos, it's called a flamboyant. White rhinos are larger than black rhinos. They weigh about 5,000 pounds. Even though they're heavy, they can actually gallop, which means they raise all 4 limbs off the ground at the same time, and they can run at 35 miles an hour. Warthogs are territorial. They're mostly active during the day. They can run up to 35 miles an hour, and you can always tell male from female just fine. But if there is water available, they'll drink it. And now on the...
Welcome. We have been expecting you. We are here today to welcome you one and all to the festival of the Lion King.